By selecting the size of property, you can choose between different templates. This selection changes the number of rooms and circuits to what is typically present in an apartment with that size. If you do not want to use these templates, you can also choose Other to create your own individual room list. Now we can select a general circuit with 5 lights and 5 socket circuits, as well as a separate circuit with 400 volt for the electric stove in the kitchen. Let's generate the board and have a look at the proposed structure in the Layout tab. In this case, we have 3 modules which can be used for additional circuit breakers. If we would like to equip this free space with another 3 circuit breakers, this can be easily done by editing the room table for the automatic configuration. If we go back into the System tab, we can see that the input fields have been locked and cannot be changed. To unlock, we switch back to the layout and going to delete the distribution board by right-clicking on the enclosure and cut. Now the input fields are released again and 3 additional circuits can be added and the board can be regenerated. If you choose the variant with only 1 circuit specification, as in our case, General, with 5 lights and 8 socket circuits, you have a little effort afterwards with the correct naming of the circuits. With the exception of the electric stove that was specified at the beginning, all circuits are called General. These can be adapted here simply by renaming. This additional effort can be avoided very easily by making the correct room allocation in the circuit table filled out at the beginning. Perhaps with the advantage that you can create the room list according to the floor plan of the apartment and thus ensure that all rooms and special loads are taken into account. I will show you that briefly by generating a new board. We add a new switchboard. Select Other and now creating the room list with, for example, a living room, dining room, bathroom and kitchen. Then there are the circuits for special loads like electric stove, fridge and computer equipment. Now let's generate the board according to that inputs. Of course, we can check the layout, but in that case I'm going to move straight forward to the configuration details, where the correct naming of the circuits has been already entered automatically. If needed, this can still be changed as required. Finally, by clicking OK, you can put the switchboard into the project folder.